Once upon a time in the bustling town of Willow Springs, there lived a little rabbit named Robbie. Robbie was known for his boundless enthusiasm and endless dreams. One sunny morning, Robbie decided he wanted to plant a grand vegetable garden. He imagined rows of carrots, lettuce, and juicy tomatoes. Excitedly, he hopped to the market to buy seeds and tools. With a hop in his step and a song in his heart, he began to work. Days turned into weeks, and Robbie's garden began to sprout. His friends, the wise old tortoise Timmy, the clever fox Fiona, and the cheerful bluebird Bella, observed his hard work and commitment. "You're doing great, Robbie," they cheered. However, as time passed, the excitement of planting faded, and Robbie struggled with the daily watering and weeding. "This is too much work," he thought. One particularly hot and exhausting day, Robbie decided to take a break. "I'll do it tomorrow," he told himself. But when tomorrow came, he found another reason to delay. Each day, his beautiful garden started to wilt and wither. His friends noticed and decided to intervene. One evening, Timmy, Fiona, and Bella visited Robbie. "Robbie," Timmy said gently, "your garden needs you. Remember why you started." "It's hard to keep going," sighed Robbie. Fiona, with her foxy wisdom, responded, "Every big dream is built with small steps. We'll help you." With his friend's encouragement, Robbie felt a spark of his old enthusiasm. Together they worked in the garden, each doing their part. Timmy slowly and steadily pulled the weeds, Fiona cleverly found ways to collect water, and Bella sang cheerful tunes to lift their spirits. As days passed, the garden began to thrive once more. Robbie learned that perseverance was the key to achieving his dreams. He also realized the importance of leaning on friends during tough times. The vegetable garden turned out even more beautiful than Robbie had imagined, filled with vibrant colors and delicious crops. The townsfolk of Willow Springs admired Robbie's garden, and it became a symbol of hard work and persistence. "From now on, I'll never give up halfway," Robbie declared proudly. And so, in the heart of Willow Springs, the story of Robbie's garden became a cherished tale, teaching everyone the value of dedication and friendship.